we haven't flown in the last 1 year, 10 months or so. So we said, let's get early. So we got to the parking lot at 7 a.m. But I think by the time we got to the check-in counter, it was well past 8 o'clock.
I just want to, see that golden temple. That was in my bucket list. So
6C477 boarding.
for some time, I need my peace in the morning.
There is a saying, right? Ghar ki murgi dal barabar.
Ready for a departure for our first leg to Amritsar, the Golden City.
Mr. Amanda?
Yeah.
Where'd you get chicken sandwich?
Chicken tikka, okay.
And a veg fry sandwich. Any
Right.
beverage you'd like to have along with it?
Not bad, huh? तो आप भी खाने के काफी शौकीन हो?
जी सर।
हाँ, आपका क्या फेवरेट बनता है?
सब खाते हैं सर, नॉन वेज वेज सब।
हाँ,
पंजाबी हैं तो सर खाने पीने के शौकीन हैं।
हाँ वो तो है।
Button idli with sambar.
Button idli with sambar. Give me one button idli with sambar.
Button Indian coffee, right?
Filter coffee, that's right. South Indian coffee.
377.
With the coffee. Thank you. I think the last time even when we went to Jaipur, we had the same.
Idli and coffee.
How long ago was that flight?
It is January first week. Lit Fest ke hogi.
Jaipur Lit Fest.
Thank you.
I think the idli becomes a little hard, no?
Because they've already made and kept it.
And a microwave it.
Just put the hot sambar on it extra.
Hi folks, we are at Bengaluru airport and we are here after 1 year and
11 minutes.
the last time we were here was Jan of 2020. So 1 year, 11 months ago we were here together and I think I did a trip after that in Feb. And a lot has changed and we'll talk about that in a bit. But some things don't change like this button idli with sambar. So the last time when we went to Jaipur, I think we did an airport vlog on the button idli. And 1 year, 11 months later, we're back to that button idli. Like I said then too, this isn't the best idli that you can find, but we were up rather early this morning and just in that anxiousness to get to the airport and we don't know what's happening, how things have changed, you get a little hungry by the end of it. The grains are a little more. Buy बनता है जास्त. Hello?
Just the airport stuff, so you can't expect anything.
So the grains that you get of the akitari are rather hard. But I guess if you want some idli sambar just before catching a flight, I guess this is alright. I think that sambar is nice. Sambar is good, the idli is rather average. But I think as a combination it works fine. Come to collect my coffee, madam. Make sure it's slightly strong, please. How was the experience at the airport?
Good only.
So we really didn't know what to expect and that's why we left early from home. So our flight's at 9:20 and we thought we'd reach the airport early, so we planned to be here at 7 because we haven't flown in the last 1 year, 11 months or 1 year, 10 months or so. So we said, let's get early. So we got to the parking lot at 7 a.m. But I think by the time we got to the check-in counter, it was well past 8 o'clock. So I think if you are taking a flight from here, from Bengaluru airport and you've not been here for a while, I think you should plan for that time. Also, the other thing is that if you plan to bring your car in here and park, because of the construction happening, the work happening, the parking bays have moved a bit. So you're going to plan at least a 10-minute walk from the parking lot to the terminal. So factor that in too, right? And if it's raining, it isn't convenient. Thankfully, we had umbrellas, so we were fine. But I think the queues are longer everywhere, whether it's to get into the airport, they do the thermal screening there. Then as you get on the airport, the queue is there. But it moves rather quickly. But just that there are a lot more people than I expected to find at the airport. Yeah, no? But I think there are certain things that I don't understand. Of course, web check-in is fine and it's good to do that. But I think now there's a new system where you also have to print your own baggage tags. Didn't really make sense to us because anyway you got to print that and give your bags anyway at the bag drop. So didn't really save any time, but just that we had to go back and print the check-in bag tags. But other than that, it's been rather smooth. So just factor time. I think time is what you need. And we had plenty of time, so we also got some button idli and some coffee. And where are we heading?
We are going to Amritsar.
Amritsar. Are you excited about that?
Yeah. I just want to, see that golden temple. That was in my bucket list, so that is kind of, fulfilling. And then the Wagah border, Jallianwala Bagh, and then some couple of other shopping things.
So Amritsar was on Shree's bucket list, so we're going to help check one item of our bucket list. We haven't been to Amritsar, both of us, before this, so we're looking forward to it. About 3 days of, chilling out a bit there. We'll try and capture a few vlogs as we go along, so do stay tuned to this channel, the second channel, the Kripal Mana channel. But it's also a very long flight. It's a 3.5-hour flight. I think that's the longest flight I've taken in India at least. And we're flying Indigo. So let's see how that flight goes. Status said that boarding has begun.
It is mandatory to wear a mask in airport premises at all times.
6E477 boarding. Going by the number of people that you see at the airport pretty much takes me back to what things were like pre-pandemic. So I guess people are traveling and a fair number of people are traveling. I booked a slightly higher seat to get a meal and all that. So you're getting a veg sandwich and I'm getting a chicken sandwich. The flight's full. I hope this seat. Yeah, then we can maybe sprawl a bit. We can also do some social distancing between us.
Yes, definitely I would like that.
Huh?
I would like that. For some time. I need my peace in the morning.
There is a saying, right? Ghar ki murgi dal barabar. So that is what it is. So this is not the murgi, but this is the murga. Well, it's a full flight, so no luck of having this road to ourselves. But anyways, I wish there was a full service airline that flew to Amritsar directly from Bangalore. It's a 3.5-hour flight. So I looked first for the service flight, but then it was all through Delhi. If you take a flight today, you reach after like 11 hours.
I think I'm better off this.
So we did that once, I think.
Dubai experience. I will never forget. It's almost flying to the US.
So I think once we did this, we went to Dubai, and I think I had some miles on Jet Airways or whatever. And so I got the ticket on the miles, and the only thing is, I think what would typically have been a 4-hour flight took us about 11 hours.
More, not 11 hours, more than that. Almost 16, 17 hours.
So after that, I'm very wary about taking these
Yeah.
hopping flights. Can I get some water, please? Couple of bottles. Thank you. So this flight also, actually there are people on this flight who are going to Srinagar. But thankfully for us it's only a 3.5 hour hop to Amritsar.
I'll never forget that Dubai flight, so I always feel, that's why I ask you, is it direct?
But you had a good time in Dubai.
After that, like horrible flight, like definitely,
The
like
flight wasn't horrible, it just took longer than what it would typically take people. Those were the days of Jet Airways. I miss that airline. One of my favorite airline.
Ready for a departure for our first leg to Amritsar, the Golden City. At the distance of roughly 2,000 plus kilometers, we will cover in 2 hours and 55 minutes.
a few minutes difference in the day, it's better, right?
This is what happens when you spend too much time on the aircraft, not taking off. You're talking about how the aircraft should land, take off, etc.
Seriously.
I'm sure the air traffic control will have a suggestion box. Send them your number and
I think this is the first time it is taken the longest, I think.
I think everything from the time that we reach the airport is taken, everything is the longest.
Today.
I don't recall a time where you reach at 7 parking lot and you reach your check-in around 8 o'clock or so. Check-in I'm talking, not even security. So I think the process is, it takes time, right? By the time the screen, all of that. There was traffic jam. So like you said, upstairs, even downstairs is a traffic jam. Any suggestions for them? Huh?
I will write and put it in the suggestion box. If I tell you there is no use. What's it, Paramana?
What I want to do is, for the next 3 days, we'll change our,
Breakfast, lunch, and then skipping the dinner.
yeah, so I can still do my intermittent fasting, right? So I think especially in Amritsar, I think the food will be very heavy.
Even I'm thinking of doing intermittent fasting in Amritsar.
Yeah, I think the food that we will taste in Amritsar, I think it will be very rich.
I would want to.
A lot of
I
tuppa.
want to start a little bit. See, even today.
Bende, butter.
Because everybody is saying the same thing. The food in Amritsar, Amritsari kulcha, Amritsari lassi, this.
So yeah, so we're looking forward to this trip. I think a big part of that trip is going to be food. So of course it's the Golden Temple and we're looking forward to visiting there.
Mr. Amanda?
Yeah.
For a chicken tikka sandwich
Chicken tikka, okay?
and a veg choice sandwich. Any
Thank-
beverage you'd like to have along with it?
Take the water.
Masala tea.
One masala tea and give me one cold coffee. Thank you.
One masala tea and one cold coffee.
That's right. Not bad, huh?
So, just be careful. The lid is quite loose and it's quite
Okay.
good.
Very hot, huh?
Here's the cold coffee.
Thank you.
Sugar is in it.
Yeah, body premix, everything's premix.
Looks quite nice, interesting, no? The way they've packed it. What is this? White thing?
Cheese, I think.
Cheese. It's like a bocconcini. Some prunes,
Apricots.
apricots. That's cheese there.
Yeah.
So there. They have it boarding pass,
Nice.
please.
The presentation in this looks very good, huh? I think that's some bocconcini. Baby burrata.
One has a
You can have them. I have got so much of my chicken tikka already. Certainly is a loaded chicken tikka sandwich.
Tea is good.
Girnar masala chai. You can smell the aroma of that tea, no?
Nice tea.
You can definitely smell the cloves.
7 is only a gateway.
Very nice. I'm actually quite tempted now to ask her for the masala chai instead of this cold coffee. No? Excuse me. Can I replace this with a masala chai? Is it possible?
I'm fine with it, but next time you might not allow because of cross contamination because I've already passed on the product.
I'll keep this, and I don't mind paying for it for the
It's
masala.
fine, I'll exchange it for you this time, but next time you might
No,
not
but
allow.
I don't want there to be any problems.
No, I
Sorry.
know, there will be an issue.
Sure?
Sorry, yeah.
Sorry about that.
That's alright.
I think I complicated her life a bit, which is very helpful. Cheddar. I quite like the way they pack this sandwich. Not bad at all. In Casa Piccola, years ago, there used to be a cake called a marble cake. So that cake would look,
White bread.
yeah, so it would be layered white and brown. So this bread reminds me of that. I can taste the mint in that chicken tikka.
Ladies and gentlemen, an update from the flight deck. This is the captain speaking. We're currently cruising at 38,000 feet. We got delayed on the ground, although we pushed back on time, but the runway news was 09 right, and it took us about 40 minutes to get airborne. This is because of poor visibility and some long taxi.
It's just an experience, like we are traveling, like all these delays and all happen. So instead of complaining, just enjoy the journey.
I think what happens is usually we're very focused on the destination. That's our nature, right? We've always been taught right from an early stage is to get there. Focus on the destination. So that's the whole approach. So we're so destination focused that we need to get there. And all our focus, all our attention is on getting there. So therefore, we we don't relish so much the experience, the journey, getting there. But yeah, that's important.
I think so too. We slept for almost 45 minutes to 1 hour.
Yeah, we did that now.
I think so.
आपको यह जानकर खुशी होगी कि जहाज को नीचे उतारते वक्त गोल्डन टेम्पल हमारी दाईं तरफ आएगा और आप लोग दर्शन कर सकते हैं।
वो रिवाज है देसी घी मक्खन वगैरह।
पंजाबी सर पता है शुरू से अपने घर के जानवर थे,
हाँ जी।
दही दूध लस्सी शुरू से खाने पीने के शौकीन हैं।
अच्छा।
पूरे वर्ल्ड में पंजाबी इसी चीज़ से मशहूर है।
हाँ जी, और खासकर अमृतसरी लोग। हाँ
जी सर,
सबसे ज़्यादा पंजाब में।
घी मक्खन के बिना तो रह नहीं सकते।
So we're just having a very interesting conversation with our friend here, Manish, who's taking us to the hotel about how Punjabis cannot live without the butter and ghee, without the ghee makhan. So I think most of the conversations here revolve around two things. I think one is the temple, of course, that's why everybody comes here, that's why we have come here too. And then it's what you eat and where you eat. Whether it's the kulche, whether it's the gulab jamun, jalebi, the vegetarian meals, the fish, the mutton. Well, I'm hoping that on this trip we get to savor some of these experiences. So stay tuned to the second channel for some interesting vlogs, hopefully coming your way. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. मतलब पहले से देखा है कि अभी हाल ही में?
नहीं सर, शुरू से देखा।
अच्छा, फूड लवर्स टीवी देखा है आपने?
बहुत शौक है वो इसी रोड से लेफ्ट जाके आपका होटल आ गया
अच्छा
और आम पापड़ वो भी यहीं
यहीं पे है।
भी कॉलेज आएगा आगे
अच्छा।
कॉलेज उसके साथ
और जो बीरा चिकन बताया आपने
वो ये इससे नेक्स्ट चौक जो आएगा green
अच्छा,
light, उससे
अच्छा।
लेफ्ट
यहाँ पे लोग लस्सी कब पीते हैं?
एवरी टाइम सर।
लेकिन काफी बड़ा होता है ना लस्सी, यहाँ का गाढ़ा होता है।
अब तो सर वो गिलास नहीं रह गए।
अच्छा,
पहले इतना बड़ा गिलास होता था,
हाँ जी,
वो जो पीतल का गिलास
हाँ,
होता
हाँ,
था,
हाँ।
वो काफी बड़ा होता था। अब तो गिलास छोटे हो गए।
तो आप भी खाने के काफी शौकीन हो?
जी सर।
हाँ, आपका क्या फेवरेट बनता है?
सब खाते हैं सर, नॉन वेज वेज सब।
हाँ
पंजाबी हैं तो सर खाने पीने के शौकीन हैं।
हाँ, वो तो है। I think if you're a Punjabi, you love your food, and that shows. So I think it's a 25-minute drive to the hotel, and we've been talking, and most of the conversation is revolving around food. Where to go, what to eat, where to eat, which is the better place to eat, etc., etc. Shreya, you geared for that?
Yes, I am. Actually, I'm hungry.
बीरा चिकन
हाँ.
आगे आपका होटल है,
हाँ.
यहाँ से फर्स्ट राइट साइड में बीरा चिकन।
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you too.
So just contact, email and signature, sir.